The first Transcontinental Railroad was a line built in the United States of America between 1863 and 1869 by the Central Pacific Railroad of California and the Union Pacific Railroad. By linking with the existing railway network of the eastern United States, the road thus connected the Atlantic and Pacific coasts of the United States by rail for the first time. The line was popularly known as the Overland Route after the principal passenger rail service that operated over the length of the line through the end of 1962. The construction and operation of the line was authorized by the Pacific Railroad Acts of 1862 and 1864. During the American Civil War, Congress supported it with 30-year U.S. government bonds and extensive land grants of government-owned land. Completion of the railroad was the culmination of decades-long movement to build such a line. It was one of the crowning achievements in crossing of plains, high mountains, westward by the Union Pacific and eastward by the Central Pacific. Open for through traffic on May 10, 1869, with the driving of the last spike in Utah, the road established a merchandise transcontinental transportation network that revolutionized the population and economy of the American West. The Pacific Railroad constituted one of the most significant American technological features of the 19th century, following in the footsteps of the building of the Erie Canal. It served as a vital link for trade, commerce, and travel that joined the eastern and western halves of the late 19th century United States. The Transcontinental Railroad slowly ended most of the far slower and more hazardous stagecoach lines and wagon trains that had preceded it. The railroads led to the decline of traffic on the immigrant trails, which had populated much of the West. They provided much faster, safer, and cheaper transport east and west for people and goods across half a continent. The railroad sales of land grant lots and the transport provided more timber and crops led to a rapid settling of supposed Great American Desert.